Hi, my name is Dr. Rama Mwenesi Musalia, and I lead the RMM Lab at the University of Michigan Medical School's Department of Learning Health Sciences. The Learning Health Systems approach is one that integrates data and discovery and really ensures that we are connecting the feedback loops between those two to ensure continuous improvement in healthcare. So our unique methodology involves starting off with an infrastructural assessment. The infrastructure is oftentimes the invisible thing that we don't see. The amalgamation of the policies, the processes, technologies, standards, data systems that ultimately lead to specific patterns of behavior. The second step in our approach involves forming communities made up of a variety of different stakeholders, people who can either speak to the question of interest or contribute wisdom, knowledge, and insight to the development of solutions and interventions. The third step involves collecting data. This is done once again in partnership with our communities. Our communities actually are involved in every step of our process because we believe in participatory action-based research. The next step in our unique approach involves data analysis. We use a variety of different methods, leveraging quantitative and qualitative mixed methods approaches. We then shift onto representation and interpretation. This is a collaborative process that involves every single person that was involved in our learning community coming together to understand and unpack what they see as the insights from the analyses that we've developed. The next step in our approach involves developing interventions and implementing them. This brings us to our final step of changing practice and evaluating impact. Each year, I travel to Kenya first as a researcher, asking the question of how might we be able to operationalize the learning health systems vision in this low resource context. When engaging in this work of patient safety and global health, it's really important to ask ourselves, from whose perspective are we defining some of these terms and concepts? And in addition to that, really think about how we can create culturally appropriate interventions that really can be accepted by all stakeholders in these mission clinics. What makes our work truly unique is the fact that we don't design interventions specifically tailored to one individual or one health system. We actually ensure that it is tailored to the infrastructure that supports multiple systems. That is how we achieve transformational change.